नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग सिस्टर्स एंड ब्रदर्स, भाइयों और बहनों, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, स्टूडेंट्स, स्कॉलर्स, learners, listeners, professionals, officials, doctors, ministers, all around the world, those who are listening and providing their valuable, priceless and precious time. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. Today, now and here, we thank God because He has given us very wonderful time, wonderful opportunity to understand about the value of human birth and how we can save our life, our soul, how we can protect our soul. So we will know today from the science and spirituality. Before that, we are to understand, we are to be happy. How we can become happy? How we can satisfy ourselves? This is the biggest problem. There is no medicine in the allopathy, naturopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, in all the pathies of the world, there is no medicine, no tablet, no capsule, no injection. But repetition of the words, meditation in presence of the image and picture of their deities, believers, followers must follow the righteous path. They should be ardent and staunch believer of their internal God who is inside them, who is always with us, who is in our voice, who is in our thought, who is in our heart, and who is immemorial, who has made us our father, mother, forefathers, foretellers, astronomers, astrologers, scientists, doctors, engineers, who has made. He is the maker inside our heart. Heart is the place. Heart is that place where both soul and super soul, means God, both present. So we are to protect our heart from others. God has given us only one heart. It means it is the seat for one God only, not for any other. If we provide to any another in our heart, then definitely there will be the damage of our heart. So we are to protect. We know all the other 84 lakh species have heart with them. They have born with the heart with them, because they only care themselves. They cannot think for others. It is only man who can think, who thinks for his personal life, for his soul, for the society, for the nation. So the best duty of the human being is to devote and dedicate for the soul, not only for society, not only for nation, not only for personal life and his family, but the most highest, greatest, largest duty of the human being is to protect his soul. How we can protect our soul? Because of soul our human body work. In presence of oxygen we can work easily, no doubt. Doctors help us in inhaling oxygen through pranayama, yogasana, dhyana, asana. But the most important thing is that after all, ultimately our soul is the most and greatest part of the body while living in this materialistic world. If our soul or spirit is not healthy, how our body, how our mind, how our heart can be healthy? So we are to protect, we are to preserve, we are to save our soul, about which our starters of all religions have explained their internal study of the soul. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, who was the starter of Sikhism, Beprwa Shyamastana Ji Maharaj, who was the starter of Dera Sacha Soda in 1948, Gautam Buddha, who was the starter of Buddhism, Mahavir Swami was the starter of Jainism. So first and the most personalities of all the religions, those who have written the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, those who have written the Genesis, those who have